there have been renewed attacks on our various communities in Agatu, West Ado, Guma local government, Makudi local government, Logo local government, Kasunala, and Kwadi local government. Very serious attack on our people, destroying their farms, destroying their houses and their savings from their farms, and killing our people. This is unacceptable. I have said earlier that we must rise up and defend ourselves. Self-defense is recognized by the laws of this country. You cannot fold your hands and allow someone to come and hold you and slaughter you the way the Fulanis are doing today. It is very, very unfortunate that today our country has not just been taken from top to bottom. We are going underground. And this is very dangerous. The economy, this political space, the security, the social life has become very difficult for anybody to live a meaningful life. And so we must not fold our hands. The security men are doing their best. The soldiers, the police, the civil defense, the DSS are doing very well. But they need our support. We must be there to back them up. I made a pronouncement some time ago that there is nothing wrong in having legal weapons. And every household, everyone, in view of the fact that this thing has been turned into a war, let everyone possess legal weapons so that we can defend ourselves anytime our enemies come to kill us, to maim us, to rape our women and wives and children. We must not allow them. We must go after them and also pay them back in the language that they will understand. And so, don't be afraid, the youth, I challenge you, rise up to your responsibilities. Because the security men are doing their best, but they are grossly inadequate. My government will continue to complement, because I believe in the rule of law and due process. We'll continue to complement and support the security agencies. But the communities all over the place must continue to support our security agencies. Whenever they are thirsty, please give them water. If they are hungry, give them food. If they have no petrol to put in their vehicles, please give them petrol. The chairmen, the councillors, the supervisors, the traditional rulers, the prominent sons of our communities, we must rise up because the security men are grossly overwhelmed with the security issues that concern us, both internal problems that we have and the external one.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.